This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Una.Soskin. This home has been loved and well cared for. A charming residence that accommodates a spacious and private open floor plan, a great space for gatherings, and everyday comings and goings. The laundry area is upstairs and allows for easy access. The outdoor area is manageable yet plentiful and creates a quiet environment to utilize. Schedule a private showing today. This home in this area is unbeatable. For more information, review the details below or contact Una.Soskin at 757-488-4600.